Ready? Exercise number 12. We shall be lucky if we get any money for doing the job. Maybe the lunch can be given on a different day. A talk was to be given on the topic feeding the family. Eva was talking of going to Manitoba in May. If they wish to make any money, they will have to do the job in a different day. The wood was too thick. It was an inch in width, so we had to ship the load of coal today. The change may be put into effect in May. We have no wish to make a change which will affect so many, but they have a different way of looking at it. If we can think of any way of doing the thing in a different way, we shall ask them to come and to see us. Full stop.